teachers and all my dear friends. I am Varsha from grade 9. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Republic Day. So first of all, I would like to wish you a very happy 75th Republic Day. Every year on January 26, India celebrates Republic Day. The drafting committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was established a new Constituent Assembly on August 29 with the goals of creating Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar drafted the Constitution which was adopted on 26 November 1949. On January 26, 1950, following the Indian independence, the Constitution of India came into force. On the same day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad got the position of India's first president. Additionally, the new Constitution provision made the Constitution Assembly of India the country's parliament. We have celebrated Republic Day with a great love and happiness since 1950. August 15, 1947, the day India becomes independent, the day honored to be a warrior who fight for our nation and their sacrifice. The significance of this day acknowledged by the citizen of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lala Lajpati Rai, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai, Mangal Pandey, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi are the greatest freedom fighters in India. They put a force of great deal in their work and effort. Every year on January 26, the President of India raises the national flag in Rajpath in New Delhi. On this day, religious parades take place in Rajpath as a tribute to India. The Republic Day celebration starts from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Gate, which is the main attraction in Rajpath beyond the Indian Gate. Various dignitaries including President, Prime Minister and other government officials are present in the Rajpath and following the official parade. Military personnel lines and Indian civilization all throughout the country are present in the march and following the religious parade.
The President of India raises the national flag in Rajpath during the Republic Day celebration. I am proud to be an Indian, make every effort to keep India clean, and I encourage everyone to speak against the corruption, and I extend my best wishes for Republic Day to everyone. Jai Hind, thank you.